Okay, welcome to my measuring class. My name is Masha, and right now I have drawn a 1 inch mark. So 0 to 1 inch. So we know that this is half an inch. Make that half an inch. Then you have your quarters. So quarter, and 1/4, 2/4, half, 3/4, and then 4/4, which makes 1 inch. Okay, I labeled this for you, and so we had something that measured to right here be 3/4 an inch. Now say this was 2 inches right here. It'd be 2 inches, 2 3/4 inch. Okay, so now that we have 1/2 inch and 1/4 inches, let's break it down to 1/8 of an inch. So we're gonna mark it even smaller now. These are 1/8 inches. So you're usually gonna have 1/8, then 2/8, which can also be converted to 1/4, because you divide that 2 and 2, so that's 1/4, so gives you that. Then you have your 3/8, 4/8. See, another conversion is 4/8 can be turned into, obviously, half. Then you have 5/8, and so on. Alright, let's do an easy example. Sorry, that's 7/16. I messed that up a little. So, let's measure this sweet leaf. Don't ask how I have it, I just do. So if we put it at the 0 inches, that's going to get you half, which can also be known as 4/8 or 8/16. Alright, I'm going to do a little bit of a harder example. So let's use this card. I know it's not perfect, but I want to do a harder one where it's on 1 of the 16ths. So let's figure what you would call this one. So let's start from the beginning again. It's obviously 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, got half, and we figured this is 5/8, which is 10/16, and then we just move on up. It's 11/16. So your answer to how long this card is it's 11/16 of an inch. So there's my hard example. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand this. If you have any questions, ask me on my website. I have all my contact information. Again, thank you for watching.